Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about taking a break. So, let's get started. Why take a break? You could say taking a break is important to rest my body and mind. Or breaks are necessary to recharge my energy levels. Resting is particularly essential after extended periods of work or concentration. Why are breaks important? Breaks help in refreshing the mind and enhancing efficiency. Or taking breaks helps in relaxation and staying productive. What activities do you do during a break? You could say, during breaks I engage in stretching, snacking and short walks. Or quick stretches, hydration and fresh air offer a break from work. What's your preferred activity during a break? I prefer a brief playlist to catch up on social networking updates. Or I enjoy listening to music tracks and checking social media. Do you prefer long breaks or short breaks? You could say several short breaks keep focus intact, or distributing short breaks throughout the day aids in concentration. How frequently do you take a break? I usually take a break every hour to stay refreshed. Or you could say I aim for brief breaks every hour to prevent burnout and maintain productivity. Do you ever skip breaks? Hectic schedules sometimes challenge the allocation of break time. Or there have been days when breaks couldn't be taken due to busyness. So, that's all the questions so far. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand if this arises in your IELTS exam. Scientific studies have revealed that our brains have a limited capacity to focus on tasks for extended periods. The phenomenon known as the deterioration of attention occurs when our cognitive resources become depleted, leading to decreased efficiency, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Breaks play a crucial role in resetting our cognitive functions, allowing us to return to tasks with renewed vigor. There are many benefits to breaks. Improved focus. Short breaks interspersed throughout the task prevent mental fatigue and help maintain a higher level of concentration. Enhanced creativity. Stepping away from tasks enables our minds to wander, fostering creative thinking and innovative ideas. Stress reduction. Breaks offer an opportunity to relax and engage in activities that lower stress levels, such as deep breathing exercises or stretching. The Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for a set time, such as 25 minutes, followed by a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness exercises to raise your mind and reduce stress during breaks. Consume water and nourishing snacks to maintain energy levels and sustain productivity. And engage in light stretching or a short walk to increase blood flow and alleviate muscle tension. The role of breaks in various settings. Progressive organizations recognize the importance of breaks and often encourage employees to take short, frequent breaks to boost their efficiency. Students who incorporate well-timed breaks into their study routine find that it enhances their retention and comprehension of material. And artists, writers, and other creative silent breaks stimulate fresh ideas and prevent mental blocks. Next up is our range of vocabulary and expressions. Please incorporate this into your everyday language. Regular intervals, brief respite, intermittent pauses, incorporate breaks. The benefits of breaks. Cognitive rejuvenation, revitalize focus, enhance concentration, heighten creativity, stress reduction, practice mindfulness, stay hydrated, adopt effective time management, implement the Pomodoro technique, creative endeavors, corporate environment, academic contacts, educational pursuits, professional sphere, leverage downtime, optimize productivity, harness break time, embrace rejuvenation, holistic wellness, mental health, physical vitality, emotional balance, overall satisfaction, task segmentation, mindful scheduling, efficient time allocation, time optimization, leisure pursuits, relaxation methods, meditation exercises, mental clarity, mindfulness techniques, conscious breathing, equilibrium between work and life, harmonious work-life integration, maintaining work-life harmony, nurturing personal time, and juggling responsibilities. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing activities. Please have a go and put some of these into your own words at home. Is it necessary for you to have a short rest? What are the reasons behind your requirement for taking breaks? How do you generally spend your break time? What activities typically occupy your period of relaxation? For statements, intervals of rest enable the mind to refresh and enhance concentration. Participating in gentle physical activities during respites can help reduce stress levels. Optimizing work effectiveness involves harnessing the potential of interval periods. And lastly, the descriptions, and you're on your own for that one. Thank you as always for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.